Alright, today we're talking about multiplying and dividing real numbers. So we've talked about adding and subtracting. Today we're talking about multiplying and dividing. Here are the two rules. The first rule: if one negative number is multiplied or divided by a positive number, the answer is negative. So one negative number, you got a negative answer. Two negative numbers, when they're multiplied or divided, the answer is positive. So one negative number is a negative, two negative numbers is a positive. So let's do these real quick. All we do is we multiply the two numbers. So 5 times 3 is 15. We have one negative, so my answer is negative 15. 9 times 0.2. 9 times 0.2, that's 1.8. I have two negatives. That means it's positive. Negative 2 to the fourth power. Well, we can do this. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Well, negative 2 times negative 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Alright? Two negatives make a positive. Times negative 2 times negative 2. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8 times negative 2. Negative 8 times negative 2 is positive 16. How about negative 2 to the third power? Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Well, negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to 4 times negative 2 is equal to negative 8. How about negative 2 to the fourth power without parentheses? That means it's negative 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Well, 2 to the fourth power is equal to 16, so it would be negative 16. So you can see here the difference. If the negative's inside the parentheses, then we include it. If it's not inside the parentheses, then we just slap on the negative at the very end. Here we'll multiply or divide some fractions. So I'll remind you the division rules of fractions. Alright? Really, we take the first number, leave it alone. Then we change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and then we flip the second fraction. Now, so you can see 3/4 times 6 over 5. We can cancel, alright, divide each of those by 2, and you get negative 9 over 10. Two negatives, though, make a positive, so we have 9/10. So here, we go 1/8 times negative 7/3. I flip that second fraction. Multiply by the reciprocal. It's called the reciprocal. 1 times 7 is 7. Remember, we multiply across. 8 times 3 is 24. I have one negative sign, so my answer is negative 7 over 24. That's it. I am done. If you have any questions about fractions, about the negatives, whatever, please feel free to ask. Talk to you guys later.